Hey cleaning family, it's Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor. Here's what we'll be covering. Number 1, the best type of clients to go after if you want personal and financial freedom. Number 2, what tools you'll actually need to land those clients. And number 3, how to find and sign those clients so that you can start making real money. If you apply what I share in this video, you'll build a cleaning business that you actually enjoy running instead of one that you regretted ever starting. The best clients to go after. The best clients are repeat clients because finding and onboarding new clients takes time, effort, and money. If you do all that work for just a one-time job, you might make a couple $100s. But if you land a recurring client with that same amount of effort that you put in, you could turn this into a 5 or even 6-figure client over time. Here are just a few examples. A weekly residential client pays you $200 a week, okay? $200 a week. If they stay with you for a total of 10 years, that's over $100,000 from just one client. Find 9 more like that and you've got a 6-figure cleaning business. Now let's do an example with a commercial cleaning client. This commercial cleaning client pays you $2,500 a month for 5 years, and that will bring in $150,000. The point is, repeat clients give you stable income. They reduce the stress of constantly finding new work and make it easier to hire help when you are ready to step away from the cleaning. Instead of playing the volume game, focus on quality repeat customers. Your future self will thank you. What tools do you actually need to get started? Now, if you want to grow your cleaning business and attract high-paying, long-term clients, you need a professional online presence. Having a website and active social media platforms as well as other profiles on the internet is no longer optional, it is a must. A website gives potential clients a place to learn about your services, see your pricing if you're cleaning residential, and book appointments and walkthroughs. Social media builds trust, credibility, and relationships with potential clients before they ever reach you. Think of it as your photo album for your business. A well-done website and a strong social media presence help clients find you, trust you, and choose you over your competition. But that doesn't mean you need to overcomplicate it. Start with a simple, clean website that includes your services, your service areas, and all of the very important contact information. A Google My Business profile so that your business shows up in local searches. This is so important. Social media pages on all platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to help showcase your work, share testimonials, and engage with potential clients. These tools work together to create a strong online presence, which makes it easier for your clients to find you, trust you, and again, book with you over your competition. Let's talk about how to find and land some cleaning clients. The best way to find quality repeat clients is a direct approach, especially if you're just starting out. Why, may you ask? Business is about solving problems for people in exchange for money. Before you can do that, you need trust. Clients need to believe that you can deliver. What's the fastest way to build trust and land clients? Talk to people in person. That's why I recommended a Google My Business profile, social media, and website, because these tools will support your direct outreach. This also lets you go after the exact type of clients that you want instead of waiting on some random leads. When I began to focus on luxury residential, I targeted high-end homes where people valued quality over service. Now that I do commercial, I go after larger offices because this means bigger contracts and longer-term revenue. Here's how to get in front of your ideal client. For residential cleaning, use flyers, but only if they're professional and well-designed. We can definitely help you out. We'll put a link in the description below. Handwrite notes that complement the home and offer free estimates. Attach your business card and leave it at the door. Network with real estate agents or property owners or property management owners. They know lots of homeowners and have plenty of homes for you to clean. Post consistently on social media to attract local clients and build credibility. For commercial cleaning, call local businesses and ask to speak with the person in charge of cleaning. Send a short professional email introducing your services or get on a quick call and let them know how you can help. Even better, visit them in person. For post-construction cleaning, reach out to builders or contractors to see who's handling their cleaning needs. Keep your Google My Business profile updated and optimized so that businesses searching for cleaning services in your area are able to find your profile. For vacation rental cleaning, look up property managers in your area and see if they need more cleaning vendors. Use social media ads to target local Airbnb hosts who need cleaners. Message people on LinkedIn and Facebook. The bottom line is be proactive. Many businesses and homeowners aren't happy with their current cleaners. Show up, introduce yourself, and offer an even better solution. Now let's talk about paid advertising. When to use it if you're thinking about running ads, here's the best advice that I can give you. Use paid ads to fuel the fire, not to start it. You don't want to be lazy when it comes to marketing your cleaning business. Too many new cleaning business owners think paid ads will magically solve their clients' problems. But if you don't already have a solid client acquisition strategy, throwing money at ads will not fix your issue. Advertising costs are rising, and there's a ton of competition. Here's what usually happens. You start running ads, you get some traffic, and maybe a few clients. Over time, your results drop as platforms prioritize new advertisers or advertisers with larger budgets. Then you go ahead and you increase your budget, hoping for just better results, but just end up wasting more money. If $10 a day isn't working, increasing it to $20 a day isn't going to magically fix it. And when testing, change only one thing at a time so that you can track what's actually working. Also, my biggest piece of advice is find a professional to set up your ads. You guys are not professionals. Do not overlook old school advertising as well, like newspaper ads or sending out the mailers that we write by hand, which I will also put a link in the description of this video. How to land clients once you find them. I already touched on this, but it all comes down to trust and problem solving. Find out what your client's biggest cleaning pain points are and prove to them that you can solve them. And agree on a price that works for the both of you. That's it. If you take action on what I've shared, you'll start landing high-paying repeat clients and grow your cleaning business faster than you ever thought possible. And if you want a complete step-by-step system for building a successful cleaning business, then please be sure to check out my full website where I have a number of online courses as well as coaching programs for the growing cleaning business owner. But if you're not quite there yet, please go ahead and take a look at the hundreds of free YouTube videos that I have created for the cleaning industry. Now, you guys, I do want to mention that marketing your business has to be an everyday thing. It has to be happening on multiple different platforms, all right? I often hear cleaning business owners complain, "Oh, I've tried everything. I tried marketing my business. Nobody's calling." What have you done? What have you done? Please tell me what you have done. Oh, so you went on Thumbtack and you ran a few ads? Thumbtack is not the place to be looking. Bark is not the place to be looking. If you guys are looking, Turno is not the place to be looking. If you guys are looking to build a business, those are the platforms to stay away from. And the reason why I say that is because those platforms are built for solo cleaners or for people that are managing this as a side hustle that have no intention on growing the business and hiring quality cleaners. And the reason why I say that is because based off my own experience and thousands of other cleaning companies that I have spoken to over the last 6 years, we all have the same story. They're recycled leads and they don't pay enough for somebody to be placed to do that job for you. My biggest advice to you guys is to have optimized website, which we do build websites for cleaning businesses, and we also build instant booking forms such as ZenMaid and or Jobber. Okay, have your Google My Business profile optimized and make sure that you are on the map, because if you don't have a Google My Business profile, nobody will find you. Nobody, okay? Unless you're running ads to your website. Make sure that you guys are also doing your cold calling for your commercial cleaning clients, cold emailing for commercial cleaning clients, printing out those mailers that I'm always talking about with my good friend Dave, okay? And I'll also put a link to the description of that video in here on how to send the mailers out. Do door-to-door, okay? Hire a cold caller. run some ads, join some Facebook groups, reach out to people on LinkedIn and on Facebook offering your services. You guys need a combination of all of these things. I also use a professional sales team to help grow the commercial side of my cleaning business, the Commercial Cleaning Blueprint, which I will link their free consultation call down below so that you guys can get started with them. But I am doing a number of things, all right? I have a professional sales team for commercial. I am emailing businesses. We are mailing businesses. We are running paid ads on Google and on Facebook for our home cleaning. We have local service leads running for our commercial cleaning side of the business. So as you can see, I am doing a number of different things. And we're also going to be exploring running Facebook ads again and retargeting ads. So I don't want you guys to think that just because you are doing one little itty bitty piece of marketing and work that you're doing it all. And I'm not saying this to bring anybody down or make anybody feel, any less of themselves. I am here to give you the honest truth, and you guys know that. And I'm here to push you, right? I'm here to push you and make you want to do better. And I'm telling you right now, you're not doing enough. So if you guys need more help, please be sure to send me a message, leave your comments. But more importantly, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and please guys, go join my members only YouTube channel. I have so many freaking videos on there that you will never see unless you join. So I will see you guys later. Carolyn Arellano, your cleaning business mentor.